creating stunning AI artwork in seconds without design skills. Midjourney makes it possible. Here's exactly how to get started and make money with it. Midjourney is an AI image generator that transforms text prompts into professional artwork instantly. Unlike other tools, it excels at consistency, quality, and commercial licensing. Perfect for freelancers creating portfolio pieces, small businesses needing graphics, and content creators producing thumbnails and social media assets. It's becoming industry standard for rapid design iteration. Sign up via Discord. Midjourney runs entirely on Discord. Choose a paid plan. Basic starts at 10 newbie channel. Entirely official server. Navigate to any newbie channel and type imagine followed by your prompt. The AI generates 4 variations in about 60 seconds. Upscale your favorite or remix for endless refinement. Your creations are yours to use commercially. They prompts create mediocre images. Be specific. Describe style, lighting, composition, and mood. Example: cyberpunk woman, neon purple and blue, cinematic lighting, sharp focus, trending on ArtStation. Add modifiers like R16i9 for aspect ratio or quality 2 for detail. Test different phrasings. Study successful prompts in the Midjourney showcase to reverse engineer art 3 ways. Sell prints via Etsy or print full license. R offer custom design what work, while you sell prints via Etsy or print full license, or offer custom design services to clients. Build a Fiverr gig creating custom one-eye art freelancers to subkanai printers pre-design the tribe outside the ready to create a art. Subscribe now and hit the notification bell. Comment your first prompt idea. Let's see what you create.